Hello everyone, I am Jose Luis Porras. Mm, I am a student physical culture in Santo Tomas University. In this video, I explain some exercise to improve endurance in elderly. The ability is endurance, intensity at 60% HR maximum. Aim to improve endurance in elderly. In the first part is warm up. In this part, we work joint mobility at 10 seconds per each muscular group. And the method is game. The game is zip zap zap for 10 minutes. Next is the main part. The main part is aerobics low impact. The exercise are jogging. Jogging is a kind of uh, soft run. Soft run. And paso toco. Paso toco is with two legs. V, box, knees, heel, slice, and viña. Viña is a coordination exercise. Is with two legs. Eh, eh, all exercise is for 20 minutes for 2 repetitions, and the method is demonstrative, conventional, and continue. And finally, um, to finish the session, we can make a soft jogging for 10 minutes, and we can make stretching for 10 seconds per each muscular group, and the method is game. Is the form or kind um, for work in elderly in endurance. Thank you so much.